If you're considering using a landscaping fabric as a way to prevent weeds in your flower beds, please watch this video before you make any purchases, because there are some things you will want to know about that most homeowners don't figure out until years down the road after they put it down. And unfortunately, I've dealt with all of these issues personally. Landscaping fabric is a woven or spun synthetic fabric that is designed to stop weeds from coming up from underneath while also allowing air and water to come through it. This works very well in certain applications. Let's say you're going to do some hardscaping where you want to put a gravel walkway with pavers. Placing the landscaping fabric between that material and the soil will help with weed prevention coming up through. It's not going to stop weeds from growing in whatever material you put on top of the fabric, so you will need to weed over time, but it will stop those weeds from the ground. But there are 4 problems that you need to consider when it comes to using this fabric inside of your flower beds. And the first one is that over time, it stops being permeable. Initially, it will work as advertised. It's going to stop the weeds from coming up. It's going to allow the air and the water to come down through the fabric. But when you place organic material such as mulch on top of it, over time, it's going to clog the pores and it's not going to allow air and water to go down into your soil. And that presents a challenge for your plants because they need air and water to grow properly. The second problem is that it will degrade your soil. The purpose of using mulch for your flowers is to have a composting effect over time. The nutrients from the mulch break down and go down into the soil. But as the pores clog with your landscaping fabric, it can't do that any longer. So you're creating less nutrient-rich soil underneath the landscaping fabric. I even saw an article from Washington State University that stated that landscaping fabric reduces by 1,000 times the amount of CO2 that your soil can release into the atmosphere. What that means is over time, you're suffocating your soil. The third problem is that weeds will come back eventually. As you put mulch on top of your landscaping fabric, it creates a fertile ground for airborne seeds from other weeds to grow and germinate. This means that now your weeds growing on top can push through the fabric down into the soil and spread that way from the top if you're not careful and constantly weeding them as they start to germinate. And the worst part with that is that because the fabric is there, it makes it significantly harder to pull those weeds out. The fourth issue is that it will fight with your plants. Your perennial flowers will want to establish new shoots as they grow, but they can't do it through the landscaping fabric. Every time you want to plant new plants, you will have to cut holes in the landscaping fabric, and over time, you're just going to break this down even further. And the fifth issue, and this is the biggest by far, when you go to remove it, because you will want to remove this stuff eventually, it is a pain. It breaks down over time. You have all sorts of soil and mulch on top of it, which makes it heavy. As you pull it up, it rips, and then you just can't get it all out, and you have to fish it out of the soil that's in your flower beds to get it all out of there, and it becomes a nightmare. In our last home, the prior owners put this in a huge flower bed, and we had a big thistle problem. The thistle was coming up through the fabric, and as we removed the fabric, we found spaghetti from the thistle vines that were growing and branching out everywhere in our flower garden. It took weeks to clean up. So the time and effort you take in removing this stuff is not worth the anticipated weed prevention that you're trying to get in the first place. So instead of using landscaping fabric, just weed your flower beds properly and use an organic mulch. You're going to get way better results. It's going to be easier to weed over time. The mulch will compost and give your soil the nutrients that it needs long term, and that's going to carry over for years to come. You'll never have to deal with the removal of this dense fabric as it's breaking down, and your plants are going to be happier. But you might be wondering, when it comes to mulch, how much do you actually need to order in the first place to fit in all of your flower beds? Well, for more information on that, click or tap on this video. And until the next time, keep doing it yourself.